Private equity doesn't work on your schedule. Capital calls, distributions, unfunded commitments. Most teams still track all of it in Excel. There's a better way. Masstro's cash projection hub for closed-end funds gives you a live dashboard, not a static export. You get a clear view of commitments and distributions and the effect on cash flow out to 10 years. Stay on track by viewing projected allocations against target and drill into cash flow and commitments over time. You're in control of the inputs. In the assumptions registry, enter details for fund life, contribution percentage, and growth rate. Once the assumptions are in, Masttro does the math. Closed-end funds are just one part of the larger picture. Our cash projection hub gives you a liquidity view across your entire portfolio in detail and as a quick summary. When a wealth owner asks about future capital calls, you'll have the answer. An alternatives portfolio with a forecast you can defend. That's Masttro.